Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create a group chat in Facebook Messenger. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Facebook Messenger. Once you're there, you click on this pen icon here. After which, you simply click on what? Group chat. Once you're there, you simply need to choose the persons you want to include in your group chat. So I'm going to choose the first name. I will choose the second name. After that, you can choose as many names as possible. So once you are done with that, you simply need to click on what? Next. After which, you simply insert the group name. So I'll simply insert Elec TV. Once you are done with that, you simply click on what? Create. So guys, we are just on creating our Facebook Messenger group chat. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.